Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Our today's video lecture is on TNM classification. What is TNM classification? Students, it is used for the staging of tumor. What is staging of tumor? Staging of tumor means to how much extent the malignant tumor has invaded into the surrounding tissues, or we can say it tells the clinician about the spread of the malignant tumor. Students, what is the clinical significance of TNM classification? TNM classification is usually carried out on the basis of X-ray examination and CT scan and MRIs. Student, TNM classification informs the clinician about the spread of the malignant tumor. Number two, in the light of TNM classification, a clinician decides the mode of treatment for malignant tumor. If the tumor has invaded into the surrounding tissues, the clinician may decide chemotherapy along with radiotherapy. If the tumor is localized to a single area, the clinician may decide radiotherapy only. If the tumor has extended to a more larger scale, then the clinician may consider for chemotherapy, radiotherapy, and as well as surgical excision of the malignant growth. So now let's see what is TNM classification. Now this is TNM classification. T stands for tumor size, N for regional lymph nodes, and M for metastasis. Students, in tumor size we have Tx, that is, the primary tumor is unable to be assessed. T0, no evidence of primary tumor. TIS, or carcinoma in situ. It means that there is a collection of abnormal cells and it is assessed. T1, there is involvement of submucosa and mucosal layers. T2, the tumor fails to penetrate the muscular layers of the body. T3, the tumor penetrates into the subserosa. And T4, tumor penetrates deep into the other organs. Now students, lymph nodes is indicated by N. NX, lymph node involvement is not assessed. N0, no lymph node involvement. N1, metastasis to perirectal lymph nodes. And N2, metastasis of tumor to more than 4 perirectal lymph nodes. Now M stands for metastasis. MX, there is no accessible distant metastasis. MO, no distant metastasis of the primary tumor is observed. And M1, distant metastasis is observed. So this was very brief about TNM classification. Thank you students. Allah Hafiz.